Salutations to all our future judges. I really thank you for the great support you have been rendering all these days. In this video, there are going to be some important announcements which would be of great help and would improve your ability and skill to become a judge, as well as to be a very good advocate and a person who's having an absolute understanding of law. The first announcement is on reaching 1000 subscribers, an interview would be published of the candidates who have cleared the main exam and have gone to interview in the district judge as well as the civil judge exam. So my request is, who wants to raise questions, they can raise these questions as a comment under this video. This is said in advance so that you get sufficient opportunity to raise the questions, and there should be no regret that you were not given sufficient time to raise those questions. So those who want the questions to be answered in English, please raise those questions in the comments of this particular video. Now coming to the second announcement. This channel has an intention to conduct moot courts online, and the basic requirement is the channel needs to ensure that there would be sufficient support from the viewers as well as the subscribers, for which it has been stipulated that if this video gets minimum 300 likes, it would ensure the fact that viewers and subscribers are interested in having a moot court online, and in that moot court various judgments and cases which are asked in the judicial exams would be given as problems, and subscribers and viewers would be selected who would be practically recording their video on the subject, and they would be handing it over to the channel from where the video would be published. However, as already told, it is re-insisted that minimum 300 likes should be given for this particular video so that I can understand that the viewers and subscribers are interested in having the moot court conducted online. Now coming to the third announcement. The channel has an intention to publish a series by name of Legal Tidbits, where the latest legal news which could be asked in exams as well as the legal news which would be helpful for the practicing advocates as well as the junior advocates would be given in a very simple form and not in a particular order or a fashion. And in addition to this, there may be certain aspects which are not given in the sections but are asked in the exams or which are used in the practical scenarios in the court. So those aspects would be explained which you need to search and obtain, and this would be absolutely helpful to the juniors who are fresh to the legal practice, and as well as to the students who are pursuing their exams, and also to the aspirants who are attending the judicial exams. And again, for this aspect to be implemented, this video needs to get 300 likes minimum, because YouTube channel has removed the voting system. Since there is no voting system, there is no option for the channel to ensure that the viewers and subscribers are interested in these kinds of aspects. So do support the channel by giving more likes so that the channel can understand that the viewers and subscribers are interested in improving themselves. Our channel has crossed 700 subscribers, 15,000 views, 1000 hours of watch time within a very short span. In addition to this, an individual video has crossed 1200 views. My heartfelt thanks for your support in this regard. Without your help, this could have not been possible. When you raise the questions, please specify whether you want that question to be answered by the person who is interviewed for the district judge exam or by the person who is being interviewed for the civil judge exam. You can specifically mention next to your question district judge or civil judge, as the case may be. If you like the video, please do press the thumbs up button and share the channel with your friends, and do subscribe the channel. Let us join hands together and contribute for a learned society. Thank you.